Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI.
If you are looking for a beautiful indoor planter, you're definitely going to want to check this one out. This is by BEHOMA and it is a handmade hammered metal indoor planter. And it is just beautiful. And I love the way it looks with my home decor. Me and my husband were really excited to put a plant in this planter. He has the green thumb, so I let him do all the planting, transplanting, but it fit like a really nice size plant. This has very large succulent plants and it just went perfectly with this style of planter. I was very pleased with the results, and that color just makes my plants pop. It comes with a really nice secure plant stand as well, getting it off the table or the floor, and it really elevates it. That's one thing I loved about this planter, is that it looks good on the floor, it looks good on a tabletop, wherever it is, it just looks great. It's a great size. I love the style of this planter. I think it just really elevates any of your plants. So this would be a great gift as well for a plant lover or just for yourself. I highly recommend. This planter is stunning.
And that's my point of view.